Okay, hello, welcome back. Welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to do a Colourpop mystery box. This is their spring mystery box. I think it was like $50. They might still have some on their website. And I think it was supposed to be like 9 full-size items. We are going to open this up. I don't do any more subscription boxes on my channel, but I may do the random here and there mystery box. So I thought, I haven't done a Colourpop mystery box in a while. Let us go ahead and see what this one has in store for us. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So let me just take out all of this stuff here, and put this off to the side. Get all of this out here, and let me just take everything out. Let me just take everything out, and then we will go over everything. So I see that we've got one palette and a lot of different things. Okay, where should we start? Let's start off with this right here. What we have here, my lights are blowing it out. It is a strawberry. I got my glasses on today. It is a strawberry comforting moisture booster. Okay. So we have it in this packaging here. I'll just throw that off to the side here. So some skincare here. We've got, it doesn't smell like strawberry really, but not like I think. It smells a little pasty. It smells kind of like paste. Smells kind of like glue, if you're asking me. It smells kind of gluey. It doesn't smell really like strawberry, but it feels nice. It feels nice, doesn't feel sticky at all or anything like that. But it doesn't have like that really nice skincare smell that you would expect like some skincare ingredients to have. Which could be good if you're looking for something that doesn't have scent in it. Okay, next we have a lip balm. So, I mean, it has a smell. It has like a glue smell to it. I wouldn't say it is totally scent free. It does have kind of a glue kind of smell to it. So the next item that we have here is their lip balm. And I really, or their glossy lip balm, and I really do like this. This is in the shade Mango Sorbet. And I really do love their lip balms a lot. So I'm really going to get some use out of this. So we have that there. Yeah, that is a nice looking shade right there. So I'm just going to put this with my other lip balms right there. Let me get out a makeup wipe. So let me see there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's 10 products. Okay, so there's 10 full-size items here. Next, we have, let's do this. What is this? Oh, we've got a glossy lip stain here. So this is called the Colourpop Hydra Pop Glossy Lip Stain in the shade Fruit Punch. So this looks like a cool color. Okay, so that is what, oh, it's just in the shape of a heart. Okay, I get it. And then, okay, we've got this there. And so then I imagine after you put it on, then you'd like wipe it away, and that is like the color you were left with on your lips. Okay, I got it. That's cool. nice little lip stain there. Let's see, are there any other lip products? Yeah, we have a Cloud Whip, a Colourpop Cloud Whip. It is a blurring liquid lipstick in the shade Candy Floss. I know a lot of these times with these mystery boxes, they give away a lot of lip product. So this is the what it looks like on the outside. And I'm not really into liquid lips, but I heard these are really nice. That is the shade there. I'd kind of like to try this one out. Let me take off my lipstick and try this one out. And see if it feels dry or not. See if I even like the color of it. It's very nude kind of color on my skin tone. Oh, I do kind of like it. I'm going to just leave that on my lips for a minute. Let me wipe this off my hand here. And then we are going to go into, let's see what this is. Okay, we've got two other lip products here. One is a Fresh Kiss. Oh, I need my glasses on. Fresh Kiss Lip Scrub in Vanilla Cake. We have that in Vanilla Cake. It's a lip scrub. I think we all know what their lip scrubs look like. And then we have a lip mask. A lip mask in Orange Vanilla. I'm going to put that one over here and put it on my bedside table. So we've got those. And then we've got two blush products. We've got Colourpop sticks. This is in the shade Sunlight. If we can open this up. Okay. Oh, I think this might be a highlighter. Yeah, I think this is a highlighter. So you can see that. Oh, that's pretty. That kind of has an orange tint to it. And then we have a liquid blush. So this is in the shade Sunlight. So let me put this over here. And then we have a liquid blush here in the shade Wildest Dreams. Ooh. I have to open this up with some scissors. This is kind of a berry color. This one is a liquid blush. It's got a little heart here. Oh, throw that over there. So we've got that. Oh, this is very pigmented. So we've got that right there as a blush. So I'm sure you could, I'm sure just a little bit would go a long ways. A little bit would go a very long ways for that. So there we have that blush there. I'm going to put this down here with all my other blushes down there. And then we have a BFF liquid liner in the shade Try Me. And it looks like, oh, this is a liquid liner. How would I open this? Okay. Okay, this is like a deep dark red liquid liner. I don't know how this is spring-like. This should be something I would put like in a fall box or something like that. This is in what shade? Try Me. No, I don't know how often I would use this, but yeah, definitely put it in with the rest of my liners over there. And then we've got one palette, and it is the Blue Moon palette right here. And I'm going to try to open this up. Well, it's not going to let me not rip the box open. Okay, so here we have the Blue Moon palette. I feel like I've had this palette at some point and decluttered it. It's a nice palette with some nice blues in it. Pretty blues. I will swatch a couple of shades. We've got that shimmer right there. This white shimmer right here is pretty nice too. But let's get this darkest blue color. Oh, that one's really nice. Oh, it feels really creamy. Really creamy. They swatch really nicely. Really nicely. And let's do this blue satin shade here. Oh, that one swatches really nicely. So this is a good blue palette. Probably one of their better blue palettes that they have in their monochromatic blue palette. How's this lipstick doing? Oh, it's doing pretty good. I like it. It just needs a little gloss. Oh my gosh. I'm just getting makeup everywhere. It just needs a little gloss on top. There, that feels better. Anyway, let me know what you think of this mystery box. I think it is just okay. I like some of the lip products. I like all the lip products. I don't know if I'll get much use out of that eyeliner. And like, don't know how often I'll use that eyeshadow palette, but yeah, I don't know if it's worth. I don't think it was really worth the $50, if you know what I mean. I don't think they've had a good mystery box in a long while, in my personal opinion. I think it'll be a while before I buy another mystery box from Colourpop again. I just thought it'd be a fun experience to try and do it again. But yeah, let me know what you think. Did you get the Colourpop mystery box? What did you think of the products? Anything like that? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing, all of that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to turn on my sign for this one. So sorry about that. And yeah, sending you out all of those good vibes, and I will see you in the next one. Please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you around. Okay, goodbye.